Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. This is your extended love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it's going to resonate with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situations. Okay, according to your condition. Gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals, and it is not going to resonate with each of you because this is the general extended love reading. I have already uploaded your main reading, your basic reading, in which I have already told you that what are your energies. Okay, but I'm going to tell you one more time that what are your energies. Okay, for today, for December 2020. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Thank you so much for giving lots of love to me for my channel, and I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner, and I will try my level best to deliver all the messages, whatever messages are coming to me for you, my beautiful, lovely, magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Let's start your reading, Aquarius. In the main basic reading, I told you that you are doing your soul searching. Okay, you are taking the energy of hermit. Okay, you're doing your soul searching. You are doing your inner work. Okay, and you are looking answers from within yourself, that what your soul wants, and you are taking a leap of faith into something in your love life. Some kind of judgment is happening in your life, Aquarius, by the divine, and the tower is here. So something is shaking up for you. Some beautiful changes are coming for you. This tower is not bad at all, because I was telling you that there is a change which is coming for you, Aquarius. Changes are coming for you, but this is the beautiful changes which are coming for you. There were, in the past, there were three of swords energy. Okay, there were times that your heart was broken many times. Okay, so you were because here it is three of swords and there is three of cups here too. But after having broken too many times by the pupil, you are rising as an empress, Aquarius. You are rising as an empress. You are doing your healing. You are leaving that energy behind, and now you are waiting your ships to come. Three of wands is here. Then there is sun. There is sun here. The sun and the moon is a very, very best combination for soulmate. This is the very lucky combination, I can say that. The sun and moon is here, so your soulmate is coming sure very soon. Some of you Aquarius have already met your twin flame, your soulmate, but some of you who are single, who have not met their soulmate yet, they are coming, Aquarius. They are coming because the wheel of fortune is moving in your favor, and after that they are going to take you towards a calmer water. Six of swords, and there is six of pentacles, both are here. Okay, so let's start your clarification. There will be an equal amount of give and take. Let's start your clarification. Please clarify Queen of Cups. What is Queen of Cups? See, Nine of Swords, Eight of Pentacle and Ace of Cups. You are working so hard, Aquarius. After spending so many sleepless nights, you are going to receive your Ace of Cups. Because you were trying so hard, you are working so hard. Can you see? Eight of Pentacle is there. You're putting all the efforts, your energy, your time, everything in achieving your Ace of Cups. Your emotional fulfillment, a cup which is full of emotions, overflowing with emotions. Some of you Aquarius were unable to sleep at night. Okay, Nine of Swords is here. You were unable to sleep at night before. Okay, but don't worry, Aquarius, now you are going to receive it. Now you're going to receive it. Okay, why there is Lovers? Please clarify Lovers. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Cups, and there is an Ace of Swords. You getting your clarity. Okay, some kind of clarity you are getting it. Clarify Lovers. Help me out why there is lovers. Wow. Emperor. Emperor and the Empress is here, Aquarius. That's why I told you that you are going to your soulmate is coming for you, Aquarius. Your life partner soulmate is coming for you. Okay, the Emperor and the Empress both are here. Okay, Ace of Swords, Emperor, and the Lovers is here. Now you're getting your clarity that who is your divine counterpart, who is your emperor of your life, the lovers of your life, the love of your life, and you are going to you are taking a leap of faith into them. You are going to take a leap of faith into them. Let's see. What is judgment? What is divine making judgment for Aquarius? See, bottom of the deck, again I'm having Queen of Cups. This is you. Oh, wow. Queen of Cups and the Judgment. Queen of Cups, Judgment, and the Magician. You are manifesting something, Aquarius. What you were manifesting it. Again, what is the Judgment? Maybe you receive some kind of small offer for someone. Page of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Knight of Pentacle, and Six of Wands. Soon you are going to receive, Aquarius, your Two of Cups. Maybe some of you are unable to see right now because there is a Knight of Pentacle here. They are coming. They're taking lot of time. After taking so much time, now you are going to receive your success, recognition, victory. Can you see? Six of Wands is here. So you are going to receive it, Aquarius. Do not worry it at all. Two of Cups is here. Maybe, I know it has took a long period of time because Knight of Pentacle is the slowest deck in the tarot. So it has took so many years, I can say, to receive, to get recognition, success, victory in achieving your Two of Cups. But now you are going to receive it. That's the judgment, that you are getting your Two of Cups. Beautiful. Beautiful, Aquarius. Wonderful, magical beings. You are receiving your Two of Cups. I know it has took so many long period of time, but that's the judgment. That's the judgment divine is making for you. Why there is Tower? Clarify me why there is Tower. Why there is Tower? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, Ace of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Fool again. You are taking in a leap of faith. You are moving in a forward direction because you were taking the energy of Fool. You were moving in a forward direction. You were taking the leap of faith into divine. You were leaving things. You were surrendering. You were doing surrender, Aquarius. I can say that. You are doing your surrender work. You are doing your surrender. Can you see here? The Tower, the Eight of Wands, and the Fool. Again, some kind of communication is coming towards you. Okay, after this communication, your life will going to change. Maybe some of you, Aquarius, you were getting some kind of Ace of Pentacles, some kind of stability, some kind of stable offer, but you were juggling a lot between two situations, whether to accept the situation or not. You were in that dilemma that what to do. I don't know. You were trying so hard to bring balance in your life, I can say that. Okay, why there is Three of Swords? That is going to end. That's what I told you. The Death card is here. That's why I told you that this situation is going to end. Okay, the third party situation, the breaking of your heart again and again, this situation, this pattern, this cycle is going to end for you. Okay, and now there is a rebirth here and new things are coming for you. Change is coming for you. Whatever confusion, whatever imbalance was there in your life, now there will be a balance in your situation. Can you see here? It is Six of Pentacle. I am having the third party situation. It is going to end now. It is not going to carry on lifetime. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Nine of Pentacles. You know this, that you are single, abundant, very happy as alone. Okay, why there is Empress? Clarify, Empress. Bottom of the deck I'm having Eight of Cups. You are walking away in search of, yeah, you are leaving that situations, whatever situations were there. You are leaving a person, or you leaving a conditions. You are walking away from those toxic relationships which were not serving your highest good. Okay, you were moving in a forward direction in search of your Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment, and now here it is. Ten of Pentacles, Chariot, and Page of Cups. Beautiful. You will receive 1111 was the recording reading time. You will receive some kind of small message saying, sorry Aquarius, I'm very sorry, I want to move forward with you. Okay. Ten of Pentacles. You are going to receive your abundance of everything. Abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of everything. Now you are going to receive it. You're moving forward in a forward direction. The Chariot is here. You will receive some kind of Page of Cup is here. So some kind of message. 1144 was the recording reading time. Someone, you will receive a message from someone. Why there is Sun? What is the new beginning? Again, Three of Pentacle and the World card. That's why I told you the third party situation is going to end, and that's the karmic cycle. The World card is here. You completing a cycle which you have to complete. Completion of cycles are happening for you. Ending of old cycles. That this always this happen for you, Aquarius, that there is a third party situation going on, but now it is going to end for you. Okay, why there is Moon? Nine of Wands. Wow. Bottom of the deck I'm having King of Cups. This is your divine counterpart. Nine of Wands, Four of Swords. You are taking care of yourself. Why my camera is doing that? Okay. Okay, you were ready to fight, Aquarius. Even after breaking your heart, you were broken a lot. You were, I can say that can you see this girl is sleeping here and the heart is stitched. So being broken after so many times, you were standing upright to fight again. Okay, you were standing still, that I'm ready to fight. And I'm going to achieve, I'm going to receive my Ten of Cups, my Ten of Pentacles, my Emperor, my divine counterpart, whatever you can say. I am going to receive that. That's why there is the new beginning for you, because now you did not give up. That's the message I'm getting for this cards. You did not give up. You were continuously fighting. Okay. Why there is Wheel of Fortune? Six of Pentacle. That's the Wheel of Fortune. And here it is, Wheel of Fortune. After the Wheel of Fortune, you're getting your equal amount of give and take in a relationship. The balance in a relationship. That's the good karma you're going to receive for you, Aquarius. I'm very happy, Aquarius, for you. Why there is Six of Swords? Please clarify me, Six of Swords. Why there is Six of Swords? Clarify Six of Swords. Why there is Six of Swords? Again, Eight of Wands is there. Communication is coming towards you. Two of Wands. Eight of Swords, Tower, and the Sun again has come. That there is a third time I'm getting a Sun for you. You are feeling restricted, stuck, Aquarius. You have to take some kind of decision in your life. Some of you Aquarius are at the crossroads of you. Okay, after this communication which is coming for you. Okay, there is a communication which is coming for you. Okay, there is a Queen of Pentacle and there is Four of Pentacle. Either you are holding back from someone, or someone is holding back from you. Okay, there was someone who was holding back from you. Maybe they were not opening up, they were holding back from you. And this, after this communication, you are feeling restricted, stuck, you are unable to move in a forward direction, but you have to make a decision for your life. Okay, you have to make a decision for your life, but you are unable to decide that what should I do. This person is holding me back, what should I do? That's why the divine is intervening in your situation. And these cards also fall out for you, but I did not take it. But that was the Moon, the Six of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the High Priestess. Okay, the Tower and the Sun both are here. After you're shaking up your life, that's why the Tower is happening for you. That's why the divine is intervening in your situation, and they're giving you the new beginnings for you. That's beautiful, beautiful, Aquarius, beautiful. The Sun, the Sun. This is the first time I'm getting the Sun 3 times for you. New happy beginnings are here for you. Can you see? This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, and you are getting Sun from all of the decks. Beautiful. That's why you are coming towards the calmer waters. You're coming towards the calmer waters because you're getting the Sun, the new beginnings in life, the new beginnings in love, new beginnings in love, new beginnings in career, new happy beginnings are coming for you. I love today's reading, Aquarius. Okay. Clarify me Six of Pentacles. No. Clarify me Six of Pentacles. Clarify me Six of Pentacle. Why there is Six of Pentacle? Clarify me Six of Pentacle. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Magician. You are manifesting it, Aquarius. Again, the Hermit card has come for you. Okay, the Hermit and the Hermit. You are doing your soul searching. The Judgment has come again for you. There was Ten of Wands. Some of you, Aquarius, were single. Right now, you are not in any kind of relationship. The Nine of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Judgment, and the Hermit is here. You are enjoying your singlehood, Aquarius. But some of you were carrying lots of burden on your shoulder, because there is a 10 here. There is a completion of all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulders. Now it's a time for release. That's why the World card is here. Now you have to release that burdens from your shoulders. The 10 is here. There is no 11 in the tarot deck. So whatever burdens you were carrying it, now you're going to release it. Beautiful. Clarify me, Fool. Someone from your past is coming, Aquarius, who is trying to give you Ace of Wands. Okay, that's the Fool. You're going to take a leap of faith in someone who is coming from your past. You both know each other. Okay, there is a strength here. So they can be a Leo. Okay, but signs I never mentioned. Sign can be any sign can be here. Okay, but can you see there is an infinite sign here on the hand of this girl? I never see this infinite sign like in this way, like I am seeing right now today. This is your divine counterpart. This is the soulmate, the life partner, soulmate of your life. I was taking the energy of this Three of Cups. There was someone who was keeping tabs on you, Aquarius. Okay, that was a reason. Knight of Wands, Hierophant, and Page of Swords. They were keeping tabs on you basically. Either you were married to this person or you were committed to this person for so long period of time. Okay, maybe you both were committed, and there is Knight of Wands here. In and out energy, player kind of energy was there. There was someone who was keeping tabs on you through social medias, through WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay, why there is Three of Wands? Queen of Cups has come again. This is you. You are waiting your ships to come basically. You are waiting your ships to come. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Four of Wands. Again, Three of Wands, Four of Wands. You're waiting your divine counterpart. 2121 was the recording reading time. You are waiting your divine counterpart to come. Empress has fallen out. This is you, the Queen of Cups, the Empress is you. And can you see beautiful combination of Emperor and Empress I'm having? You are going to bless with your divine counterpart now, Aquarius. The time has come to meet your divine counterpart, to meet your life partner, soulmate, who is made for you. You both are made for each other. Beautiful. Why there is Hermit? I don't think so that I need to take a clarification of Hermit, but still. See, again that cards come again. That's why I took these cards, because these were saying to took me. Okay. Again, why you went in the energy of Hermit? Because there was a marriage or a relationship in which you were committed to this person, or you were married to this person, but this person was a player kind of energy. Okay, this person was an in and out energy. They are non-committed to you basically. You were putting lots of seeds in that relationship, but after that you put an energy of Seven of Wands, defensiveness. 2244 was a recording reading time. You are protecting your aura, your defenses were high. You were saying no more player energy, no more toxic energy for you. I want my soulmate in my life. I am guarding myself. You guarding, you are protecting your energy. Basically, you were not in a mood. You are not in a mood to entertain any toxic relationship, any karmic relationship. Wow. King of Cups. King of Cups. I was taking the energy of Three of Pentacle. This is your divine counterpart. Let me see one more time. See, which you are waiting for ships to come. Three of Wands. Clarify me Three of Pentacles. Clarify Three of Pentacles. Magician. You are manifesting. You want to take your relationship on your higher level of justice. King of Wands. You want your relationship to take on a other level. Okay, again King of Cups is here. So you are walking away from someone who was King of Wands basically. Maybe this person was very passionate, that is King of Wands, and there is King of Knight of Wands too. So that was a player kind of energy. You are walking away from this person. You are walking away from this person in search of your Nine of Cups. And the karmic justice is being served in your case. No, this is you, not the karmic one. Okay. This is you. You are manifesting the karmic justice. This is you. And you are walking, you are moving in a forward direction, search of your Nine of Cups. And here it is. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Cups. And here I'm having Queen of Cups. Both are here. This is a power couple. A power couple I can say. A pair, a divine masculine and divine feminine pair for you. Now you're receiving your wish fulfillment. This is your wish fulfillment. Beautiful. Let's see what is the advice from the divine. Please give me advice to my lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the Aquarius. What is the divine? What is the universe advice? Give me the advice for Aquarius. Give me the advice. What is the advice for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the advice. Again, the Tower has come. Give me the advice. Why there is... Wow. Wow, Aquarius. What is the advice? Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Pentacles again for you, Aquarius. You are going to receive your 10 of Pentacles very soon. Abundance of everything. Okay. Why I am saying that? There is Princess of Wands, Tower, and the Six of Swords. Again, the Tower and Six of Swords. You're coming towards a calmer waters, okay? You're coming towards a calmer waters. The Tower movement is happening for sure in your life. Some unexpected changes are happening. And why they are happening? Because you are carrying lots of burden on your shoulder, Aquarius. There is Knight of Swords. There is 10 of Wands and there is 9 of Wands. You're carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. You are protecting yourself. You are ready to fight with anyone who is coming towards you. Again, the 10 of Wands has come here. Again, the 10 of Wands and 10 of Wands. You're carrying lot of burdens on your shoulders. Now you are getting towards the calmer waters. Beautiful energy for you. So some kind of tower movement is happening for you. That is for sure. There are three towers for you. So that was the reading for you, my lovely Aquarius. Let's summarize your reading. There is some kind of tower moment which is happening in your life. Something is shaking up. Divine is intervening in your situation. Some unexpected changes are coming for you. But these changes are not bad. These are the very, very positive and good, happy changes are coming towards you, Aquarius. Beautiful changes are coming towards you. That I can say that. Okay, because you were carrying lots of burden on your shoulder. There is 10 of Wands, there is 10 of Wands. You're carrying lots of burden on your shoulders. Now it's time has come to release all the burdens, whatever burdens you were carrying on your shoulder. Okay, there is beautiful sun, new beginnings which are happening for you. There is sun here. The happy new beginnings are coming for you. Beautiful new beginnings are coming for you. Okay, you are waiting your ships to come. There is 3 of Wands is here. You're waiting your ships to come. Where is the 3 of Wands? Okay, I can't find it right now. Okay, not an issue. You're waiting your ships to come and the ships are coming for sure. You're taking the energy of Hermit. You're doing your soul searching. You are healing yourself. And that's very good because you're doing your soul's healing and all. When you're completing your healing, that's why you are getting to receive it. The World card is here. Completing a karmic cycle in your life. You are receiving your 2 of Cups energy, Aquarius. Can you see how beautiful it is? Someone from your past is coming your way. Okay, someone from your past is coming your way to give you something very beautiful. Very beautiful, I can say that. And this is your divine counterpart. They are going to treat you right. They will give you equal amount of give and take. They will give you a balance in a relationship. This third party situation is going to end in your life. The death card is there and there is 3 of Swords energy here. Whatever 3 of third party situation were going on, okay, 3 of Cups, 3 of Swords, and there is Page of Swords. There was someone around you who was spying on you. They were keeping tabs on you, but that situation is going to end now. That is for sure. Okay, you are getting success, recognition, victory coming towards the karma waters, but it had took long period of time. It has take long period of time. So maybe some of you are thinking that it is not going to happen for you ever, but it is not like that. It is happening because that's the judgment which is made by the divine. Okay, the divine is making some kind of judgment for you. There is a pair here for you. Can you see there is an emperor and the empress, both are here, and the empress has come 2 times for you. Okay, so you are going to get blessed for twin flame. That's the justice Aquarius for you, because you are working so hard for yourself. Can you see there is 8 of Pentacle, there is 9 of Swords. You who are spending so many sleepless nights, who are unable to sleep it, there is a karmic justice which you are getting to receive it now. And this is your love of your life, who is going to give you some kind of passionate new beginning. Ace of Wands is there. Some passionate new beginnings are happening for you. There is your divine counterpart who is coming your way. So this was your extended love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating. But some changes are coming for sure, but some beautiful changes are coming. And in the activation oracle also I was having the change. So beautiful change is coming for you. Please take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius all over the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.